Hello, I am a public health nutritionist. I help people use GLP-1 medication safely with fewer side effects and better long-term results. If you feel sick, nauseous, dizzy, or scared every time you inject your GLP-1, or if you're doing it the way you were told but still feel awful, then this video is for you. Because how you inject matters more than most people realize. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to reduce nausea and feel more in control. By the end of this video, you will understand why GLP-1 causes nausea, the most common injection mistakes people make, where and how to inject correctly, what to do before and after injecting, how nutrition affects side effects. This is not medical advice. This is education to help you work safely with your healthcare provider. GLP-1 medicines work by slowing how fast food leaves your stomach, reducing hunger signals in your brain. This is helpful for weight loss. But if the medicine enters your body too fast, or your stomach is too empty or too full, nausea happens. Most nausea is not random. It is usually caused by timing, technique, or food choices. Let's talk about mistakes I see every week. Mistake number 1: injecting on an empty stomach. Many people inject first thing in the morning without eating. This can worsen nausea. Mistake number 2: injecting too fast. Pushing the pen quickly can increase side effects. Mistake 3: injecting in the wrong area. Some injection sites absorb medication faster, which can increase nausea. Mistake number 4: lying down right after. This slows digestion even more and can trigger sickness. Mistake number 5: eating fatty or heavy foods after. This is one of the biggest causes of vomiting on GLP-1. Here are step-by-step on how to inject GLP-1 for minimum nausea. Step 1. Eat a small balanced meal first. About 30 to 60 minutes before injecting, eat something light. Protein like eggs, yogurt, or chicken. A small amount of carbs, very little fat. This protects your stomach. Step 2. Choose the right injection site. Best areas: thigh, back of the upper arm. These areas absorb medication more slowly than the stomach. The stomach can increase nausea for some people, especially beginners. Step 3. Sit upright and relax. Do not rush. Sit upright. Take a slow breath before injecting. Stress can worsen nausea. Step 4. Inject slowly. Press the pen slowly. Count to 10 before removing the needle. Slow delivery is because fewer side effects. Step 5. Stay upright after. Do not lie down for at least 30 minutes. A short walk is even better. For the next few hours, eat small meals. Choose protein first. Avoid greasy, spicy, or fried foods. Sip water slowly. Large meals is nausea. After this process, it is possible that you will still feel nauseous. This is what to do if nausea happens. Stop eating for a short time. Sip water or ginger tea. Avoid strong smells. Eat again only when hunger returns. If vomiting is severe or ongoing, speak to your healthcare provider. You may want to know why nutrition matters more than people think. GLP-1 reduces appetite, but your body still needs protein, fluids, vitamins, and minerals. Poor nutrition can increase nausea, fatigue, and weakness. That's why we created a GLP-1 starter grocery list to help you choose foods that support your body. In my next video, I will explain what to eat on GLP-1 to prevent muscle loss and extreme fatigue. This is one of the most ignored problems with GLP-1, and it matters long term. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe for evidence-based GLP-1 nutrition guidance. Download our GLP-1 starter grocery list. The link is in the description.